What is Deepface? All of you know that face recognition, one of the very fundamental application, which works very well when you apply these machine learning models, deep learning models. And this Deepface is a model which is built already. You don't have to write the algorithms. It's all written. The models are working very well. There are several models available. It has been tested on various data sets as well. So the moment you want to deploy your own face recognition models, you can go for the Deepface. So it's the most lightweight face recognition and facial analysis library for Python. It's open source. And more importantly, I told you about the Edge AI, right? So it has the support for the Edge AI models. And it has various features. First one is the face verification, where it verifies between two faces whether they match or not. The second one is a simple face recognition from the available data. And then, okay, so I heard that one shot of the outcome. Thank you. But others, if you have done it, then good. Otherwise, try it. Model where this extracts the facial attributes like the age, emotion, or race, which is also the ethnicity. We also have the real-time face, which is recognition and analysis together. Real-time video feed from the webcam. Can you tell me where I can apply this? The last part of it. Real-time face analysis. Okay, so one is the vehicle drivers. I'm sure if the camera is looking at all the Bangalore drivers, everyone will be angry, right? The emotion will be always angry, right? Where else? Great. I should have actually applied it in this FDP, right? I should have asked all the participants to open the webcam now and show your faces. Just want to make an analysis now, right? So I can do the automated attendance as well as whether you are physically present or mentally present. It also can be analyzed, right? So this is very much useful in online meeting analysis, right? Whether this is really boring or interesting, things like that, you can extract from the facial features of the participants. So how to use this Deepface? First, install the Deepface package in your Python, and then import the library, just like importing any other library, and then start performing the task. That's it. Not much complicated. So you have verification, recognition, and analysis. The popular face recognition models, which are wrapped in the Deepface already, it's all available. You have to just choose which model you want to apply. And then open face, there are so many models. Still more are there. Right? This is how you can see all are wrapped into this Deepface face models. So what is the advantage of this Deepface? Why I'm so excited to talk about the Deepface is that one of the assignments given by my professor during my master's was to recognize the face of a person. We didn't have a database. We didn't have a data set. When we asked about the data set, so there are so many images available in that. We had to apply some of the fundamental pattern recognition approaches to find out the like the PCA, right? So when we started master's project, I think that is your project, right? So it became a project itself to recognize the face using C programming, right? But none of them has become obsolete. You can bring everything into the computer, any computer. Doesn't matter that whether your computer is working or not with all those hi-fi computing. I still remember we used to run neural network for about 10,000 epochs, and we we go to the lab, run the system, come back next day morning and see the result, just for 10,000 epochs C programming, right? Now you don't even realize it's going for several epochs, right? So it's lightweight, which means that you don't really feel the computation which is going on at the back. Easy to install, just few steps you are there. Multiple models and detectors are available. It's open source more than anything. There is no proprietary, so you can just start using it in your research. You have a lot of members in the Deepface community, so which means that if you want any help, there are people to reach out immediately. You will get the help. It is a language independent package, which means that you can apply that to any device which is at the edge, right? Face recognition doesn't need any language, correct? I apply a Deepface here. I take the same model and deploy it in one of the edge AI devices like a surveillance camera or say a remote defense camera in Russia. The same algorithm should work. Only thing is you will change the data sets. That's it. Right? It should work. Possible extension to work on a cloud API that include facial attribute models like beauty and attractiveness score prediction. Right? This also can be additional parameters that can be added. Right? How beautiful it is. There can be a score. But how you define beauty is different. Right?